Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use ImageList component of Material UI in React. So for that, I have created this component, and here I have an array also of images and titles, item data. So these are the images that I'm going to use from Unsplash website. You can copy this from internet. If you pass the Unsplash array in Google, then you will have this or lot more array also available. Otherwise, you can use this also. And just start the use of ImageList. For that, I first of all import here box from Material UI. Now I change it to as my requirement, so I use box here, and then I use box here, and then I use here typography, then I say h4, then no color, I say alignment to the center, and I pass here MUI image example, or can say image list example, and we say this. Right now we have this output. Now I take one more box layout or box component, and here I say alignment of this is center because I want to display image list in the center. Then I use here image list from Material UI, and under this image list I use image item, but I will use image item by using the dynamic rendering. So for that I say here that item data dot map. Here under this map I use one arrow function, and this arrow function would have here one single image value, so I say this value, and here also I will use to create a component that is image list item here, and in this what I need to use this like that, and inside this I use key, and key would be of value dot img, or we can say value dot img or value dot title, whatever we want we can provide here key. Now I use inside this img tag. Here we have src, so under this src I say value dot img. Now I say alt alternate value. Here I can provide value dot title that we can provide, or otherwise I can also provide that pic is not found, like that. I do this, and now I save this, and if we see here, so we have such kind of large output that we have to manage it and control it. For that I say the size of this image list that I want to manage, so I say the size of it should have some width and height, so I say sx equal to, I say width of this should be of 450 pixel, then height of this should be of 450 pixels, like that. Save this, and we see that we have the size here, and I remove to 400 pixel, not for 450. You see that we have adjust this, Now I should provide more values also, like size of image. So what I do here, I provide here number of column which I want. I say calls equal to, and that is 3 columns I require. Save this, and you see that we will have the 3 values here right now, 1, 2 and 3. Automatically we have a scroll bar here, you see. Now I can adjust size of the image also. For that I say the image should be of row height, and I pass this row height to 164 pixel, or we can increase whatever you want. And you see that the size is reduced now, and we have such kind of things available in this image list. I can give name of the image also here as a title. For that I need to use here image list item bar, like that. Here I provide title, and title will be of value dot title, and close this, save this. And if you see here, you see we have the name of this images also, like that. And we have a variant also of these image list, so we can provide here variant. So I say variant equal to, and we have these 4 kind of variant. One by one we can select all these 4. So we see that now is masonry, like this masonry variant, and I give here, and you see now it is changed to this way, to the column. You see, this way we have converted by this way. Now I can use here other type also, woven, you see. So this uneven images formats are also coming. Now we can give other also. So I say quilted, or we can also give standard, both are equivalent. So you see that now we have quilted type, like that, and last one was the standard which we are using automatically. So like that we can change the variant of image list also. You see, all informations, all images are available. So we have variant also, we have height also, we have call also, we have width height also, we have image list items. So we are using here map, and we are doing dynamic rendering from the array, providing image inside this. Now we are passing title also. So like that way we have array of images. So like that way we can use image list also. We can control as per our requirement whatever we want. So this is the example of image list in Material UI. I think you understand it. If you understand, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.